The next member of the Shifting Gears cast that I want to introduce you to is my good friend Jason Ludwig. He plays Jimmy's boss, Mark, at Jimmy's law firm. Now, the role wasn't too much of a stretch for Ludwig, as he's an excellent attorney in real life. In fact, we were law school classmates together at the University of Missouri. Nevertheless, I think he enjoyed it and really got in the role, and man, he was good at it. So let's take a look at some of the outtakes.
You're working hard, I see.
Yeah, hey Mark, sorry, just finishing up a few things. Oh, okay, so, sorry. That's Josiah. Wait, did you say mistress?
Mrs.
Cause it's, no, that's not it, sorry.
Look at
Yeah.
the
Oh, now that
Yeah,
I
jump
need to
there,
go.
don't you? I'm
Yeah, I
sorry,
gotta
yeah,
check
you
that.
get that.
That's my
jump.
bad. A little bit soft.
There was a shot in Ludwig's scene where he got a text from his mistress. Well, spoiler alert, we used my contact in his phone for the mistress.
What do you call me, sex kitten? Something like that.
It's actually Jason who was talking.
Yeah. Scene 2, shot 5.
picture of
take
Jason.
1.
Oh well, I guess I've had worse nicknames. The absolute best was when it came time for Ludwig to fire Jimmy.
You're fired. Get the fuck out of my office. And actually, you're just fired. Why don't you get out of my office? You're fired. Shut the fuck up and get out of my office. Get your stuff. Get out of my office. You're fired. Pack up your stuff and get out of my office. You're fired. Get out of my office. You're fired.
So Ludwig, how you like the idea of quitting the law and making some more films?